Oh, that is an audacious shot. What a shot. And that lands for 6. A small man like him brings up his half century.
Well, we saw Sanath Jayasuriya getting his 100 with a 6, and take a look at that shot from Chamarra Silva, getting his 50 in style. Not an orthodox shot, but take a look at that. Just picking it up arts at the off stump and getting it under it and hitting it beautifully over the mid-wicket region. Nothing wrong in that delivery, but what a great shot.
I thought very much